Hi, we are from Mohan Spintex, a vertically integrated textile industry located out of Andhra Pradesh.
We have started the first manufacturing facility in 2005 with the 14,000 spindles, and currently we are doing around 3 lakh sheet sets per month. So we are employing around 6,000 plus employees, and by 2035 we are planning to become carbon neutral by having clean energy, by avoiding groundwater for our processing, and we have a zero liquid discharge as well.
Coming to the fashion, we have taken inspiration of our textile clusters located in Andhra Pradesh, such as Kalankari, Crochet, and Mangalgiri. Infusing this heritage textile designs into our latest technology is our concept of getting into fiber to fashion, and that is how we started our domestic brand Astara.